the polar plot of a lead network is will be like this. Now find out, for this transfer function, find out magnitude and angle at omega equal to 0. At omega equal to 0, the magnitude is A, the angle is 0 degrees. At omega equal to infinity, the magnitude is 1, the angle is 0 degrees. So this is the polar plot. With the help of this, we can find the stability analysis. Lead compensation based on frequency response. The procedure for this is determine the compensator gain Kc alpha satisfying the given error constant. This is the procedure to design compensators for the given specifications. First, we need to find the compensator gain for the given error constant. Determine the additional phase lead pi m required plus 10% to 15% for the gain adjusted Kc alpha G of S open loop system. We will be solving a problem by applying this procedure. Obtain alpha from sin pi m equal to 1 minus a divided by 1 plus a. Find the new gain crossover frequency omega c from this formula. Find t and omega c and transfer function of Gc of S. T equal to 1 by root a omega c and Gc of S equal to Kc a Ts plus 1 a Ts plus 1. General effect of lead compensator. Additional phase lead near gain crossover frequency. The lead compensator increase of gain at higher frequencies. The lead compensator increases the system bandwidth. These three are the general effects of a lead compensator. Now let me consider an example. Consider this closed loop system Gc of S lead compensator where G of S equal to 4 divided by S into S plus 2. The performance requirements for the system. Let us consider steady state error is Kb, velocity constant is 20, transient response phase margin is greater than 50 degrees, gain margin is greater than 10 dB. These are all the specifications required. We need to design a compensator for these specifications. The analysis of the system with Gc of S equal to K. For Kb equal to 20, then K equal to 10. This leads to phase margin is approximately 17 degrees, gain margin is approximately infinite dB. Design of lead compensator. Gc of S equal to, that means how we will be getting it as is Kc a Ts plus 1 divided by a Ts plus 1. Kb value is limit, this is the formula, limit S tends to 0, S into Gc of S plus G of S. 4 Kc a divided by 2, 2 Kc a that equivalent to 20, Kc alpha equal to 10. From the Bode plot of Kc alpha G of j omega, we obtain that additional phase lead required is 50 minus 17 degrees equal to 33 degrees. We choose 38 degrees since approximately 33 degrees plus 15% tolerance. We add it as 15%. approximately it will be, what is the 15% of 33? We add it, we will be getting it as 38 degrees. That is approximately 5. 33 plus 5. Sin pi m equal to sin 38 degrees, that is equal to 1 minus alpha divided by 1 plus alpha. 1 minus a divided by 1 plus a, which implies that alpha equal to 0.24. The next step is, since for the frequency with the maximum phase lead angle, we have 1 plus j omega mt divided by 1 plus j omega m at, that equivalent to 1 by root a. We choose omega c, the new gain crossover frequency, so that omega m equal to omega c, and mod gc of s into g of s at s equal to j omega c equal to 1, which gives that mod kca g of j omega c equal to mod 40 divided by j omega c into j omega c plus 2. That equivalent to 1 by root a whole power minus 1, that is equivalent to minus 6.2 dB. From the Bode plot of Kc alpha g of j omega, we obtain that mod 40 equal to mod 40 divided by j omega c plus 2, that equivalent to minus 6.2 dB at omega c equal to 9 radians per second, which implies for t omega c equal to 1 by root a t, that equivalent to 1 by root of 0.24 t, that equivalent to 9 radians per second, which implies that 1 by t equal to 4.41, and kc equal to 20 divided by 2a, that which implies that 41.7. gc of s equal to 41.7 into s plus 4.41, s plus 18.47. All the values you know that, just you substitute here. The compensator system is given by like this: 41.7 into s plus 4.41 divided by s plus 18.4, and g of s value is 4 divided by s into s plus 2. The main effects of lead compensator is the phase margin has been changed from 17 degrees to 50 degrees, which implies that better transient response with a less overshoot. The next effect is omega c has been varied from 6.3 radians per second to 9 radians per second, which implies that system response is faster. The gain margin remains infinity. The velocity constant is 20 as required, that is, which implies that acceptable steady state response. This is the Bode diagram for above problem. Bode diagram for Kc into A into G of j omega equal to 40 divided by j omega into j omega plus 2. For this, the Bode plot is this. And the compensated Bode diagram for compensator system is Jc of j omega into g of j omega equal to 41.7, j omega plus 4.47 divided by j omega plus 18.4 into 4 divided by j omega into j omega plus 2. This is about the lead compensator. The next one is lag compensator. One thing you need to, the main difference between lead compensator and lag compensator is the lead compensator 0 will be near to the origin, and whereas lag compensator the pole will be near to the origin. Gc of s equal to Kc beta Ts plus 1 divided by beta Ts plus 1, which implies that Kc into s plus 1t divided by s plus 1 by beta t, where t is greater than 0 and beta is greater than 1. So poles and zeros. Pole zero diagram for lag compensator is this. Polar plot for this will be like this. Polar plot for lag compensator will be like this. The Bode plot for Bode diagram for lag compensator with Kc equal to 1 and beta equal to 10. The magnitude of that will be that. Now the lag compensation based on the frequency response. To design the lag compensator based on the frequency response, determine the compensator gain Kc beta to satisfy the requirement for the given error constant. The second step, find the frequency point where the phase of the gain adjusted open loop system Kc beta g of s equal to minus 180 degrees plus the required phase margin plus 5 degrees approximately or 12 degrees, 5 degrees to 12 degrees. This will be a new gain crossover frequency omega c. The next third step is choose the 0 of the compensator omega equal to 1 by t at about 1 octave to 1 decade below omega c. Determine the attenuation necessary to bring the magnitude curve down to 0 dB at the new gain crossover frequency. The fifth point is find the transfer function of compensator, lag compensator network. The lag compensator network, the effect of lag compensator is which decreases the gain at higher frequencies. The effect of lag compensator is which moves the gain crossover frequency lower to obtain the desired phase margin. Example, let us consider the lag compensator. With an example, the closed loop system for this lag compensator GC of S. The GC of S we are going to take it as 1 divided by S into S plus 1 into 0.5 S plus 1. The performance requirements for this system. Steady state error kV equal to 5. Transient response. Phase margin is greater than 40 degrees. Gain margin is greater than 10 dB. These are all the performance requirements. The analysis of the system GC of S equal to K, where kV equal to limit S tends to 0, K into G of S equal to K, that equivalent to 5. For K equal to 5, the closed loop system is unstable. Design of lag compensator. GC of S equal to Kc into S plus 1 by T divided by S plus 1 by beta T, that equivalent to Kc beta Ts plus 1 divided by beta Ts plus 1. Design of lag compensator. kV equal to limit S tends to 0, GC of S, G of S, that equivalent to Kc beta, that equivalent to 5. The phase margin of the system 5 G of S is minus 13 degrees. The closed loop system is unstable. From the Bode diagram of 5 G of J omega, we obtain that the additional requirement of the phase margin of 40 degrees plus 12 degrees equal to 52 degrees is obtained at omega equal to 0.5 radians per second. So the gain crossover frequency will be omega c will be 0.5 radians per second. We can observe here the Bode plot. In this, the gain crossover frequency is 40 degrees, so we are going to add it plus 12 degrees. Place the 0 of the lag compensator at omega equal to 1 by t, that equivalent to 0.1 radians per second, at about 1 by 5 of omega c. The magnitude of 5g of j omega at the new gain crossover frequency omega c equal to 5 radians per second is 0 dB. In order to have omega c as a new gain crossover frequency, the lag compensator must give an attenuation of minus 20 dB at omega c. Therefore, minus 20 log beta equal to minus 20 dB, which implies beta equal to 10. So Kc equal to 5 by beta, that equivalent to 0.5. and GC of omega equal to